it's freezing cold because it's Christmas time, it's New Year's time. Of course it's gonna be cold, right? And yes, we are going to learn this beautiful Christmas New Year's makeup tutorial today, and I really hope that you guys are going to enjoy it because it's a very different glitter eye makeup, dewy base. So let's get started, guys. So first things first, guys, winter's hair, so of course you'll require your skin to be properly moisturized. It should have a good content of oil in it, so no compromise on moisturizing. So I tend to use this one, Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. Please believe that Cetaphil आपने एक लेयर लगा दिया, अगर आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई स्किन है उसके बाद आपको एक और लेवल, you need to add another level of moisturizer to the skin. So I'm just taking a little bit of Biotique Morning Nectar and putting on my face. So let's start with the eye makeup, and I'm gonna first take my MAC eyeshadow palette. In order to use the brown and the black color, as I've already told you in my previous videos, that अगर आपको eyebrows करनी है तो आप black और brown color का mixture लेके and you can do your eyebrows using an eyeshadow. So I'm gonna just pick these two colors and let's start doing the eyebrows. So I've almost done this side of my eyebrow, and you can see kahin pe it's little incomplete, so I'll only take a little bit of brown color in my brush now and I'll just fill those gaps. And I'm going to repeat the same steps here for my left eyebrow. See, you always have to start from the center. As I've filled the center, right now it's looking very incomplete. Now let's come to the sides. It's perfect. Now eyebrows are done. We can move ahead to the eye makeup. So next up, I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this one is in the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm gonna put it on my eyelids. Just remember, थोड़ा सा आपकी स्किन से अगर ये 1, 2, 3 tones lighter होगा, fair tone में होगा तो ज़्यादा better है. So now I'm gonna just blend it out. Next, I'm gonna use this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Rivera Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm gonna use the same brush जो इस palette के साथ आता है. It is a dual brush. One side it is the blending brush, the other side it has a eyeshadow in it. So this is the brush that you get in this palette, and I'm gonna start with taking the light colors. So I'm gonna take this color first. So let's pick this color. Dust it off always so that आपके eyelids पे patch ना बने, and you have to start depositing it here on the outer side below the crease line. So I'll just deposit it here in this motion, very softly, just below the crease line. So next up, I'm gonna add a little darker color to it. So I can see there is a brown color here in the palette. So I'm gonna take this brown color and I'm gonna mix it with the same last color that we used. So basically these two colors, and then dust it off. And I'm gonna put it on the same areas where I've deposited the lighter color. That is starting from the outer side below the crease line. But because this is a little darker color, you have to be a little more careful that you don't cross the crease line basically. So now you can see that we have deposited, and ये थोड़ा सा unblended लग रहा है. So we need to actually blend and get rid of these little harsh lines coming here. तो brush थोड़ा सा clean करके, and we'll take the light color again. तो हम दोबारा से ये light color use करेंगे जो हमने first go में use किया था, and we'll just blend the patch. जहाँ जहाँ हमें दिखेगा कि थोड़ा सा harsh दिख रहा है makeup, हम वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इसको blend कर देते हैं very softly. Now of course आपको crease line के ऊपर थोड़ा सा you have to cross the crease line. So I'm going to use the same palette now, but this time I'm going to use this color out of the palette. So this is a very beautiful color, Seaside. The name of the color is Seaside, and I'm going to use my finger and put it here on the eyelid. Wow. Look at the color, how beautiful color it is. And so next I'm gonna apply some glitters to it, but before that I need to have a sticking medium for the glitter. तो अब sticking medium के लिए I'm gonna use my lip gloss. आप कोई भी lip gloss use कर लो, try करो कि वो बहुत ही translucent या फिर transparent हो. So I'm gonna use this one and थोड़ा सा अपने finger पे लेके. This one is, by the way, in this lipstick, Sugar की lipstick के पीछे एक जो normal सा lip gloss होता है वो है transparent, and I'm gonna take it in my finger and put it here on the eye. Now you have to dab it. You're not supposed to rub it. अगर आप rub करोगे तो वो सारा जो नीचे आपने product लगाया है वो सब हट जाएगा. So you have to very carefully, very softly just dab it. जनरली जब आपको ग्लिटर और आपको यहाँ ग्लिटर ग्लू या लिप ग्लॉस लगाना है तो उन दो स्टेप्स के बीच में यू आर नॉट सपोज टू वेस्ट एनी टाइम, आपने क्विकली करने होते हैं. सो आई एम गोना यूज दिस ग्लिटर टुडे विच इज बाय द मस्क इंडिया, एंड दिस इज इन द शेड एरियल, एंड लेट मी जस्ट शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. सो आई एम गोना जस्ट पुट इट हियर, एंड सेम ग्लिटर एप्लीकेशन भी आपको dabbing motion में करना है. You are not supposed to drag your brush. So next we are going to do a liner, and today I'm not going to do a very basic liner. I am going to do a quite thick liner. So I'm gonna use two products now. One is this. This is again these two products. Both of them are from Inglot. This is the Inglot gel eyeliner in the shade 77, and this is the Inglot Duraline. So whenever you have to use this product, you should have this product along with it so that इसका application बहुत smooth हो जाए. So I'm gonna take and show you how you have to actually use it. So you can apply the liner using a very sleek eyeliner brush, or also you can use an angular brush to apply a very bold thick liner. So I'm going to use an angular brush today, and I am going to dip my brush here, take some product and just take a few drops of Duraline. So I put it here generally. बहुत थोड़ा सा drop would be more than enough because हमको literally सिर्फ liner के लिए चाहिए. Now just mix the product with a little bit of Duraline so that थोड़ा सा smooth हो जाए product, and now apply it on the eyes. And you can see when you're using an angular brush, it becomes very easy to do the liner application. So we are done with the eye makeup, and next I have also cleaned the fallout from using a wet wipe, and now I'm gonna re-moisturize my face क्योंकि जब भी आप wet wipes use करते हो you have to re-moisturize it. तो आप ये step बिल्कुल miss नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपने miss कर दिया तो आपके फेस पे बहुत सारे पैचेस बन जाएंगे. जब आप फाउंडेशन लगाओगे या कंसीलर लगाओगे वो स्मूथली ब्लेंड नहीं होगा, एंड देन यू गेट कंफ्यूज कि हमारा बेस इतना पैची क्यों हो रहा है. So I'm again going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this one is in the shade Tan Sand. Basically आपने जो भी concealer use करना है, ज़रूरी नहीं आप Tarte use कर रहे हो, जो भी use कर रहे हो it has to be slightly darker than your skin tone. And as you can see that इसका जो shade है ये थोड़ा सा मेरे skin tone से dark है. तो जो भी मेरे uneven areas है, मेरे dark circles हैं या मेरे pigmentation है, I'm going to put this concealer there and I'm gonna blend it very smoothly using my fingers. आप कोई brush या blender भी use कर सकते हो अगर आपका fingers से ठीक नहीं होता. Okay, so we have well concealed the face. इससे ज़्यादा आपके face पे कोई layering की ज़रूरत नहीं है. A lot of girls are very confused that you have to do color correction, orange color लगाना है या कुछ और भी लगाना है, green color लगाना है. See, अगर आपके face पे need नहीं है तो please don't add additional layers. That's waste of product and you know you tend to make it more cakey. Winters में आप जितना light रखो, in fact summers में भी आप जितना light रखो उतना अच्छा है. So next I'm gonna be using this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick and this one is in the shade Y325. Guys, अगर आप winters में एक बहुत ही dewy base चाह रहे हो तो just buy this stick because it has a beautiful oil content in it. जो foundations है they are more water based, उनका जो formula है वो water based होता है, but अगर आप sticks buy करते हो तो इनमें oil content ज़्यादा होता है. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one and so I have properly blended the whole face and you can see the finish of this foundation stick. It's amazing guys, highly recommended for winters. And next I'm going to use another foundation stick. This one is by Anastasia Beverly Hills and this one is in the shade Warm Alabaster and इसको मैं सिर्फ अपने face के highlight areas पे लगाऊंगी जैसे कि under eyes पे because इसका जो shade है वो थोड़ा सा मेरी skin से brighter side पे है, तो जो मेरे highlight areas हैं मैं उन्हीं उसी portion को highlight करने के लिए ये वाली stick लगाऊंगी. You can use your normal foundation sticks also, but I don't know, I have been sticking to a lot of cream based products this winter. So yes, now I'm gonna just blend it out using a damp sponge. And मैं आगे base में कुछ add नहीं करूँगी. Let's move on to the blusher now. And I'm gonna use this Maybelline lipstick, Maybelline Crayon lipstick. It's in the shade Deep Coral. Love this color for doing my blush. So I'm gonna put it here and I'm gonna blend it with my fingers. जब आप ये step कर रहे हो, please अपने smile में बिल्कुल भी कंजूसी मत करना. The more you smile, the better it goes. So smile and just blend it to the area where actually cheeks आपके, you know, apple of the cheeks हैं. Otherwise, you tend to bring the blush at the back side of the face, which you should not, because in winters बहुत ज़्यादा powder face पे skin को dry कर देता है. So I'm not going to bake my face. However, I'm going to use a little bit of compact today. This Studio Fix by MAC. And this one is in the shade A86. Basically आप कोई भी compact use करो, just remember जो आपने base use किया it has to be 4 to 5 tones lighter than your actual foundation shade that you're using, so that आपकी जो skin है उसको automatically वो bright कर दे. So I'm gonna just dab a little bit of compact under my eyes. Now let's come to the lipstick part. So see, if you've given a little heavier eyes, so of course आप अगर अपना lips भी बहुत heavy कर दोगे, so it might look a little too much. So I would like to balance the lips in that regard. So I'm gonna use this lipstick which is by MAC and the shade is Newell Vogue and I'm gonna put it on my lips. But of course this is not the color that I am looking for, so I am going to add another color to it which is again by MAC. And this one is in the shade Velvet Teddy and I'm gonna top a little bit of this color. You know, I'm not still liking the lipstick, so what I will do right now is add a little bit of nude gloss to it. Not nude, a little brownish lip gloss to it. So this one that I'm gonna use is by Jouer and I hope you pronounce it like that only, and the shade is Sunset. I think the shade is perfect right now, just the way I like it. So I'm gonna again use the Anastasia Rivera palette and I'm gonna pick this brown color, dust it off and just put a little bit of color on the outer corners of the under eye. Here. We have almost reached to the end of the look. I think I'm just going to do a little bit of extra powder blushing and then I'm gonna wrap up this look. So I'm gonna use this blush palette by Swiss Beauty, which is kind of broken. But anyhow, I have to use these colors, so I'm gonna pick these colors. Because I am very fond of matte blushes and less fond of the pigmented ones. So I'm gonna smile and put a little bit extra blushing here on my cheeks. Wow, I love this look. I love the whole Christmas vibe going on. And yeah, this brings us to the end of this makeup tutorial. And yeah, this is the final look, guys. And also, without ending this one, I think you can also add a few accessories or a cap. So I'm gonna put this one. Oh my god. So yeah. So I think this completes the whole look, and I really hope that you enjoyed learning this Christmas tutorial. Also, before ending it, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go subscribe it right now, hit the bell icon and like and share my video. Merry Christmas, guys. Wishing you all a very, very happy new year. Bye, you guys. Take care. Lots of love.